I copied 5 viral AI money videos. It's exactly the way they showed it. Same tools, same steps, same process. And after doing everything like exactly the same way, I made $0. Not low results, not slow growth, 0. So either all of these videos are lying or there's something they're not telling you. Because by the end of this, I realized something most people completely miss. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. And right now, AI is everywhere. People are making content faster, building products faster, we're starting businesses faster. And if you spend even 10 minutes on YouTube, you'll see the same promise again and again. Make money with AI. Start from 0. No experience needed. And the crazy part is, it all looks real. Clean edits, confident voice, screenshots of earnings, everything looks convincing. So naturally, you think, if they can do it, I can do it too. That's exactly what I thought. So instead of trying random method, I did something different. I picked 5 of the most viral AI money videos and decided to copy them. Step by step, no changes, no improvements, just follow exactly what they show, because if it works for them, it should work for me, right? The first video said use AI to create content and sell it as a service. Simple. So I did exactly that. Used the same tool, typed the same prompts, generated the same kind of content, and then I tried to sell it. I sent messages, waited, checked again, refreshed, nothing. At first, it didn't feel like failure. It felt like maybe it just needs more time. But hours passed, then a full day, still nothing. And that's when it hit me. The video showed the result, but not the starting point. The second video claimed you can create a digital product using AI and make passive income. So I followed it step by step, generated the idea, expanded it, formatted it, uploaded it. This time there was activity, views, clicks, people were seeing it. And for a moment I thought this is it, but then nothing, no sales. Because attention is not the same as trust. Or the third video was about automation. Let AI do everything. Set it up once, flush it, and let it run. So I built it, connected everything, let it run, and technically it worked. It produced output, content, activity, but no money, because output doesn't equal income. The fourth video said she just copy what's already working. So I did. Copied formats, copied structure, copied ideas, and that's when things got worse. Because now, it didn't even feel like progress, it felt like noise. At this point, I wasn't confused anymore. I was frustrated. The fifth video was different. It focused on content, but not just creating it, understanding it. And this is where everything changed. Because instead of copying, I started observing what makes people stop scrolling, what makes them watch, what makes them care. So I created content again, but this time with intention. And slowly, something started happening. Views, engagement, movement. Not instantly, not dramatically, but enough to prove one thing. The problem wasn't the methods, it wasn't the tools, it wasn't even the videos. The problem was copying without understanding, especially in the US, where people are exposed to thousands of ideas every day. If your content feels generic, it disappears instantly, because people don't pay for content. They pay for clarity, they pay for trust, they pay for value. So instead of asking, what tool should I use? Ask, what problem am I solving? Because once you understand that, everything changes. If you want more real breakdowns like this, to where I test what actually works and what doesn't, subscribe, because most of what you see online is only part of the story.